Welcome back, guys, to BrownManTravels channel, and today we are in Puerto Real, our last day in Puerto Real with my uncle and my cousin. How do you guys feel? Nada. Are you guys excited for Italy? No? Why not? ¿Por qué?
Porque mucho trabajo.
Trabajo la vida.
কিসের? আজকে হাওয়া দেখার জন্য? কেন ওর থেকে নিতে হবে না, আমরা নিতে পারবো না?
Alright, so we are, what day is it today? Today is 27th November. I'm flying back to the US on the 29th. Flying back to New York, staying there for a day, and then flying to Michigan. So we're gonna explore Puerto Real for the last time. Actually, we did not explore Puerto Real, right?
No.
We explored Cadiz yesterday, so what are we gonna see today, Mama?
We have the Bay of Cadiz over there. You can
Bay of Cadiz right there. We're walking towards Bay of Cadiz.
nice pedestrian and Paseo Maritimo. So there's a lot of activities there.
Okay.
You can walk, cycling, running,
Okay.
walking. So it's like an environment with exercise
Nice.
facilities.
Can we get bikes?
We had a bike
Huh?
at home.
Oh, the scooter?
The scooter.
No, can we rent bikes, three of us?
We don't have.
Sam, you want to rent bikes?
Bike.
Or scooter, whatever.
Yeah, if we have the chance.
Holy shit, look at the plants.
Money plans.
Look at the plants. Alright, walking the streets of Puerto Real. Yeah, so yesterday we explored Cadiz pretty well. We watched the sunset. We were there since morning till sunset. It's a full day there. Then we came home. We made paella, two types of paella, seafood and chicken. And we've been eating that since last night.
Marisco is the seafood. Paella marisco.
Paella marisco and paella pollo.
Chicken is they call it paella valenciana.
Valenciana, yeah.
They make it with rabbit and chicken.
But usually what we saw in the stores, they have paella with chorizo and other pork products. But we don't eat pork, so there's always other types of good meats out there. So yeah, so let's go and explore the Bay of Puerto Real?
Cadiz.
The Bay of Cadiz. So I guess one thing I want to mention here is that we just came across this. This is a clinic, right, Mama?
Yeah, local.
A local clinic, and every neighborhood has their local clinic.
Their own.
Like one or multiple? Like Puerto
one
Real,
for
how-
this area, another for another area.
Within Puerto Real.
Within Puerto Real, there are two.
Gotcha. So maybe like each zip code within the same town
Yeah.
has its own like medical services and what we call urgent care in the US is basically what this is.
It's also like a local hospital with
Doctors,
family doctors. Your family
okay.
doctors is there.
Okay,
All the time for
gotcha.
you.
Yeah, so it's good. I mean, why wouldn't anyone live here? It's got good weather, it's got good friendly people, and it's got good food. Unlike fucking Michigan. I really don't want to go back to cold. What is it in Michigan? It is 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So it is cold in Michigan right now. But look at this. Who would say this is November weather? Right?
Your fingers.
This is, oh, What university is that?
Cadiz.
Ah, University of Cadiz. What the fuck? Look at this beautiful weather.
And it's high tide now.
It's high tide.
Normally the water goes down there.
Ah, okay. You can see the water is up high right now. There's lots of
Fishing over there. We can go there.
lots of boats, sailboats, fishing boats. Oh my
So
god.
this is the place, Paseo Maritimo.
Paseo Maritimo. Okay.
We have a sports club over here.
Okay. Nice,
That's,
nice.
City Corporation. The building over there. We have a little, tiny little yacht.
Okay.
And these are the local fishermen's boat.
So people come here and they walk or
Yeah.
jog or
Walk, jog.
nice, nice. So yeah, this is what November looks like in southern Spain. I would say everyone should move to southern Spain because the weather is really nice during winter. Food is really good. I would say grocery is, from what we bought and made food out of, the grocery items, they weren't that expensive compared to what we get in the US. I would say they're similarly priced, right? Huh? Maybe like it's, to me it seemed like it was a little bit cheaper here. Maybe because all the units here are in kilograms and we use stupid units like pounds and ounces. Like, come on guys. But yeah, great food, great weather, friendly people. What else do you need, right? I'm gonna miss this place when I go back to Michigan. Oh well, life goes on. So guys, we have been walking for, I don't know, maybe a mile or so within the beach area, and we saw a lot of interesting things. People fishing, a sailing school, and you can see that sailboat. Somebody's teaching 4 or 5 people how to sail, and there's something going on over there by the people from the sailing school. Yeah, Puerto Real is a really pretty place. Look at that. And as soon as the sun gets any cloud or it starts going down, temperature just drops really quickly, but not to freezing levels, just mild. I would say 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that dog. Welcome back guys. Last video, Siam always gets mad when I start taping. Last video from Puerto Real. We are on our way to Madrid from the southern coastal town of Puerto Real in España. We are gonna stay in Madrid for a day, and day after tomorrow I head back to the US. It's sad, the last 14 days were awesome, but now everything comes to an end, right? So one last time, Puerto Real. 3, 2, 1.
আসবে না দেখো
তাহলে লাভ কি বেটা? আমি মনে করি এটা নাই। 3, 2, 1. লুকায় রাখছি।
না না লুকায় রেখে লাভ কি
3.
আমি তো ভাইরাল হতে চাই না ভাইয়ারা ডু লাইক and subscribe our channel to see us more dancing yo bro
এটা গান গানা। গান গানা।
আরে না
প্লিজ রিকোয়েস্ট।
আচ্ছা এটা বন্ধ করো অফ ক্যামেরা যাচ্ছি
এত লজ্জা সারাদিন পটপট করে
কিরে বাজি তোরা কি শুরু করছিস তাতে আমরা মার
এটা ন্যাচারাল হবে না
আচ্ছা 3 2 1 go
বন্ধ বন্ধ
Bro, he cannot sing when the camera is on. Bro, come on, one song. 3, 2, 1.
হয়তো বা তুমি অন্য কারো ওকে কাট ওকে রিটেক 3 2 1 go ওকে হয়তো বা তুমি অন্য কারো তাহলে কেন এত লাগছে ভালো আমার তোমাকে এখন যদি তুমি আমার না হবে তাহলে কেন কথাতে জড়ালে আবার আমাকে এখন কেন লাগে শূন্য শূন্য বলো তোমায় ছাড়া এত তুমি কি তা বলতে পারো তোমাকে আবেশে রাখতে চাই এই ক্যানভাসে যেখানে শুধু তুমি আছো আমি জানি তোমাকে ওর থেকে ভালো করে রাখবার তুমি চেয়ে দেখো শীতম
See, he's gonna be famous one day. Right, Siam? You're gonna be famous one day? Shit, the train is here. Adios, Puerto Real.